Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about goal settings. Goal settings. Does it happen with you that you set a goal just to forget it within a week? Yes, it happens with most of us. That's why today I am going to share some easy tips with you. So let's start. Identify your goal. When you identify and you are specific about your goal, it becomes easy. It can be a professional goal, it can be a personal goal, anything, but be very specific about it. For example, you want to lose weight. So instead of saying that I want to lose weight, say it, I want to lose weight by the end of the month and I want to lose 5 kgs of my weight. So it's very specific. You know that you have to lose 5 kgs by the end of this month. So you are giving target to yourself. Break it down. Break your goals into smaller and easier steps so it becomes easier for you to achieve. For example, you want to lose 5 kgs of your weight. Now write it down, the steps you are taking to achieve your goal. For example, drinking more water, exercising 30 minutes in a day, taking care of your diet. So you can make a note of it. So you know that what you are doing towards reaching up to your goal. Make it measurable. Make your goals measurable. Break it down into small milestones. For example, you want to lose 5 kgs of your weight by the end of the month and you are exercising for it regularly every day for 30 minutes. Now when you are exercising, use fitness trackers or apps which are available in the market just to track that how you are progressing. So always keep a check on your progress towards your goal. Be realistic. It's very important for you to be real with yourself. You know what is difficult for you, what is easy for you. So set a goal for yourself which is easier for you to achieve. Because if you set a goal which is really difficult for you, it can be really discouraging as well. So first start with simpler things, easy things. When you keep on achieving your goals, it gives you motivation to set another goal. So always start with the easy task which is easier for you to achieve. Last but not the least, be accountable. It's very important to be accountable when you have a goal with you. It's extremely important to have an accountability partner with you when you have a goal to achieve. Share your goal with a person whom you trust. The person will keep a check that how you are progressing and are you near to achieve your goal or not. You are accountable to that person. That's the reason it will keep you motivated. For this, you can join communities or you can have a mentor or a coach with you. So the person will help you reaching up to your goal very easily. Remember that setting goal and achieving it is a process. It takes time, effort and commitment. So by following these tips, I am very sure you are going to achieve your goal in no time. So that is it for today. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and please like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye.